this is your sign to take that risk and believe in the universe and God's plan. Because today is April 29th. 3 days ago, I had no idea this was going to happen. Drop the Filter is going for their first ever outside of city shoot. I think once you put your head to something and start working towards it, doors start opening on its own. If someone from front is asking you, any way I can help you, and all you have to do is ask. If it happens, great. And if it doesn't, at least you ask. When I got a contact of the second person, he asked me, how can I help you do better? And I said, oh my God, this is my sign. So I asked him. I don't have a studio where I'm planning to shoot. I'm still figuring that out. So if you have anybody, please send them my way. So he sent me a number of the studio guys. So now we have our guests, we have our studio, but it's not that easy, right? So you're gonna find out about how we're traveling, how we're reaching there, because we're still figuring that out. This is gonna be a budgeted work trip. And I'm so excited I'm starting this channel with this because Nazar emojis all over. And I'm gonna take you through everything that's happening because we're doing 4 shoots in one day. But I'm just trusting in the God's plan. It'll all work out, I know it. It's April 30th. Our train tickets got booked through Tatkal. We had no hopes. We had to travel by bus and I personally hate it. I also just got my period, by the way. Not very excited about it, but we're gonna let it go. We're just going with the flow. I've just slept for like 10 hours because I am dying in pain. Also, shout out Noah. Those heating pads, they're actually weirdly heating and helping. I don't know what's happening, but it's helping and I'm so grateful. I'm finally feeling a little more confident and excited and believing that it's all working out because until now I was just like, what is happening? You're gonna see us tomorrow, which is our travel day. It's the day we're packing. Like, Ishita is here, we're packing. We have to leave in the next 1 hour. And as usual, I just started packing.
That is the biggest suitcase ever.
For a day. So I've stuffed all my clothes with her because why not? And yeah, we'll see you all on the way. So this is our bag for one day. And as you can see, we're very not light packer.
We will be changing our outfits like 5 times.
So it's valid.
Yeah.
So we have like 5.
Girl math.
Yeah. So yeah, we're ready. We're leaving. We're just having some lunch and then we'll be leaving. Basically, we wanted a matcha and a cab. Bhaiya is already but we're besharam. He said no, we will have. So now we've ordered, we've called and placed an order. Now we're gonna.
Straight है?
हाँ भैया.
कितना दूर बोलिए जल्दी फास्ट है ना
Sorry.
किलोमीटर
यहाँ पे आके मैं ना पहली बार आ रही हूँ.
जल्दी है ना मैं
बस ये गाड़ी बोला ना भैया.
हाँ फास्ट है ना मैं इधर
सॉरी
हाँ.
वो थोड़ा हमें भी आज बहुत स्ट्रेस
पीछे है,
ट्रेन
आराम
का.
कर दो.
ठीक है, बस मैं 1 सेकंड में Was that fast?
Yeah, like 10 seconds. Guys, the matchas are secured. And we're just 10x happy. And I think Bhaiya is also. Now we're on our way to Yelahanka, which is in another country. It's going to take us 1.5 hours. So yeah, you have anything to say? Okay, bye. Like our struggle is real. We did not expect this. This bloody insane. This is what happens when you don't work out for like 30 days. 2 months, by the way.
No, nothing that too shy. Press the button. Yeah.
Bloody hot. Just look at us. It's not happening. I don't know why we do this to us. I have tortured her by shooting 100 different reels. 0 aesthetics left.
Now your dream comes true.
Guys, railway station was the last place we thought we'd feel single, but we're surrounded with couples even in the railway station. Why, God, why?
How's my new look? Bro, I'm very scared.
So she is struggling right now. How are you feeling now that you've achieved?
It was scary. I'm not.
I've already spoiled my hair a lot, so I'm going to do a fix so my hair remains at least 20% of what has been happening. I have carried this whole set. People think I'm crazy, but it's fine. I asked Ishita not to judge me, but her eyes say something else. I look weird as hell. Guys, this girl is not stopping. She's been doing this for the last 30 minutes. I'm starting a petition to add Wi-Fi on the train because what do you mean we can't work without taking 100 breaks in 2 minutes because there's no bloody Wi-Fi. The data doesn't work and I'm freaking irritated and that's Ishita right now. Guys, our food has arrived. It's almost arriving and Ishita is embarrassed to take me out like this. I won't blame her, but I'm here for a safety. Guys, this is how we have bought things. Ishita is fully embarrassed by me, but I need to protect my hair. It's my most prized possession, yeah. But foods. This is our origin.
Sorry.
Open it.
Don't laugh.
Crazy cheese pizza place.
Cheers to one.
Doable. Mid. Now we're sleeping in a little early because we have an extremely long day tomorrow. Let's see you all in Hyderabad. Good night, guys. This girl has been laughing. She was sleeping 3 minutes ago. Basically, a guy has come to do some checking because of this hairstyle. Someone thought I was a man. The day someone thinks I'm a man, I would want to surrender everything. And she was.
It was just too funny. I couldn't stop laughing.
How has she woken up suddenly to do this? Stupid.
I was looking inside. I got scared. I disappoint you, sir.
We have made it, guys. Finally, officially. Please look at the moon, it's too pretty. Guys, we are in Hyderabad. What is the time, Ishita?
It's. Oh my god, I'm doing some work. What is happening? 5:14.
It's 5:14 in the morning.
Actually, so pretty with the sun. In Goa, it'd be so pretty.
We've made it to Hyderabad. I think it's 6 a.m. And we're going to be shooting in just 4 hours, in which we have to get ready, eat, do our makeup, this, that, all that bullshit.
Buy coffee.
No. Yes. And travel for another hour and go back to our shoot location. All the best to us.
So I'm the passenger princess and this is the driver. I don't know how to do this.
Horrible videography, by the way.
But we're on our way to the shoot and we'll do like our makeup and all there.
Yeah. Guys, we've reached the shoot location.
I hate such kind of gifts.
We're so ready.
हाँ मेरा गंजापन दिखा दे दिखा मेरा गंजापन.
This is our makeup room. We're all ready to get ready. Real life girl problems. Like, how should I find anything in this dabba? Tell me she's doing basic makeup. Only to look like
I'm only
this.
doing concealer makeup. So it's the same thing.
Every girl ever. We're almost ready. For our shoot number 1, I'm wearing this green knit shirt. Ishita is wearing a brown white stripe. This is where we're shooting. We're ready. Oh my god, there are 10 people. I though can't see it, Bob. For the first time ever, we've decided to leave our studio and move out of our space. Guys, we've just finished our first shoot. It was insane.
I want matcha.
Yeah, we've been looking for good matcha in Hyderabad. Girls, where? But I think we're going to settle for coffee. Guys, we're in our second outfit and it's hot. Like, AC is on, but it's hot.
I can't close it.
What? I'm doing it. Like,
उधर से close कर दे उस ऐसे ऊपर डाल दे. Had to do it.
guys, we're only done with our second episode. We're so hungry that we're eating in silence. Just please look at this. This is our food. Like, it's great. Also, we're like 2 episodes down and we're already dying. I don't understand how 3 episodes are gonna go after this. But we got this. We're all set for shoot 3. We have no idea how we're surviving.
I'll tell you a story time later.
Guys, we're done with our shoot number 3. We're on a blind roll.
I'm very busy all the people.
Hi, this is. We didn't expect it to be this hectic, bro. What were we walking into?
I'll tell you one thing. Can you once again outfit?
Y'all will never know what we're talking about.
Next.
We're now going for our 4th shoot, after which we have one more shoot. I have no idea how we're doing this, but it's actually fun. The work and all of this shoot and all. And I think that's a gamble one needs to make, but we're basically done with 4 shoots, and this is our face at the moment.
I cannot.
We did not anticipate so much stress. We did not anticipate so much tiredness. But what we're grateful for is that we were able to finish it.
Not yet, but we have one more shoot to go.
But that's okay. We did it. We pulled everything off in
What
4
I'm
days.
stressed 1 year ago. You only. It's just kind of.
And oh my god, guys, today is best friend, National Best
And
Friends
1
Day.
year ago, I was with her only.
Saw that counts for friendship.
Such a.
Happy Best Friendship Day, girly pop. Okay, never mind. Whatever. Guys, we're on our 5th episode. This is our outfit, and it's almost pack up time. And I'm proud of us, bro. Just waiting for our 5th guest to come. He got stuck in traffic because, understandable. He's like a huge doctor here in Hyderabad, so we'll allow it. But we're just tired. It is what time now?
8-1.
It's 8 a.m. and we've been.
AM.
Oh, sorry. We've been here since 9 a.m. It's already 8 p.m. So we're almost on a 12-hour roll. Of course, we've gotten some breaks. Whatever happens with the best. Yeah, cheers. Wanna say 2 words?
What?
Say some 2 words.
Oh, 2 words. I heard 2 words.
Say fast.
We're excited. I'm just seeing this guy who has moved on so quickly.
Boys. Guys, it's 10 p.m. on a freaking Saturday. We're done with 5 shoots in 1 day, 12 hours. And now we're waiting for data transfer. It has done.
my position.
We have built a house here. Bhaiya is also chilling. It's live. At this point, nobody cares.
And they don't want us to come here next time. One has run off.
We've become besties with all of them. It's
She just pushing, call this Didi.
मतलब बहन भाई type vibes. But then, how was your day? I would like to know. Honestly.
I loved it. Like now, I just want to go home.
Valid. I think it was a great, fruitful day. Very fun things.
Like
But it got very
with
exhausting.
me is I become a very able person. If you know.
Oh.
If it's too hot, like I will not be able to talk to anyone.
Yeah, and we had to talk for we've spoken for 1.5 hours each episode. So 5 plus
Around
7.5 hours
7.5
of talking,
hours.
which is insane.
And all this there was 1.5 hours non-stop. And then in between all this we had to change, there was no rest. We're just changing outfits, figuring out the next script, touching up our makeup, which was just sweat at the end. And we had just removed, the first thing that we have done is removed our makeup.
We're dying. Hyderabad is hot, bro. But yeah, no, as soon as this transfers, we're leaving. We're done.
अरे अपना दिखा तुम.
We're done. Well, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Do you have any last words to my vlog? My first vlog ever on this account.
See you in Bangalore.
No, next city. Oh shit, sorry. See you soon. On YouTube, I guess. Bye. First thing. Chalo, I'll see you all next time.
Don't forget to subscribe. Just don't put all this.
I will put. You know me.
गंजीपन डाल देना, ये डाल देना, मेरे को डांस
चल बाय बोल रहे हैं अब.